Hello and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. We're continuing with the BMW. So let's just begin. Here we go. We're continuing with the BMW. The BMW is completely sanded down. Now I did remove the doors. I am going to show you how to remove the doors of this BMW so that you know how. Well, we started by sanding all the interior. That's what we're going to be painting first, the interior cabin. Why? Because when I put the doors back on, I'm going to have everything enclosed. Everything from the inside of the doors and the inside of the cab will be painted, and then I'll just have to worry for the outside. Right now I'm in the left hand side of the car. Now the doors, I'm going to sand them once I remove them from the actual car, but as you can see, I do remove all the moldings. There was a chrome molding that goes all the way around. I am going to remove these moldings right here, door handles. If you want a good solid paint job, you need to remove as much as possible, as much things as possible, because all these little moldings, if you just tape them up, you are going to have your paint peeling from there. That is not good. You need to have the paint go underneath every single little molding. So your best deal is just to remove it. It takes a little longer. It does take longer to paint a car this way, but it's done the right way. Now all these areas that I did body work, I am gonna apply primer, but let me show you how to remove the doors on this car. We have opened the door. Right here where these holes are, this is where the chrome molding was, which is right in there. So it's a good deal just to remove everything. This gasket right here, we are going to be removing it. This plastic paneling right here with the M right there, we're going to be removing it. But first of all, let's remove the door. Now the door is kind of tricky in a sense. Do not, and I repeat, do not remove it from these bolts. Okay, this is a line from BMW. They do give you the option of removing. There's a bolt right there. This is the bolt that's going to be removed. It's on the bottom and on the top. We also need to remove this little guide right there, which is the same bolt as that. Now the way you're going to remove this door, it's with a ratchet, 8mm. It fits perfectly there, and you're going to remove it. Before I start removing this one, I'm going to go ahead and start by removing this one. Remember, 8mm. After removing this bolt, you're going to have another bolt, 8mm, right here, 8mm. This is for the connection to the electronics. All you do, remove it and pull it back. That is going to allow you to remove the harness, the connection. This tab right here, this one right here, this gray one, you're going to pull up just like that. That's going to allow you to disconnect it. Now that that's disconnected, get yourself your wrench and remove this 8mm bolt. This one's going to go down. And after removing those two bolts, there it is. You have just removed the door. The connection, I just put it in, took it in there. Now let's go to the back door, which is going to be the exact same process. And just like that, you have all the doors removed. I already removed all the gaskets, all the seals, the little paneling on the bottom, the plastic paneling. Now all I gotta do is go to town and sand it down. So I'm just gonna sand it down, have it ready for the paint. I am gonna be painting the inside of the cab first. I am gonna show you how I'm gonna tape it up, but that's gonna be in the next video. This will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. This is how to remove the doors of a BMW, and I'll see you this coming weekend. All right, thank you very much, guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, and hit that little notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you actually this coming Wednesday and the following weekend. That's going to be the painting of this interior, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much, guys. Like always, God bless.